was that for?
Today we're microwaving marshmallows, aren't we? So let's put it in and let's just watch it. No, it should grow big. No, wait until it gets to 0. Wait until it gets to 0. I don't think you can see that, but they're massive now. These things are growing. 13, 12. No, wait till it gets to 0.
Do them.
5, 4, 3, 2. Whoa!
We said that together.
Yeah, jinx. 1, 2, 3. You got until 3:30. No, look at this. We've already. Here's our tester thing. It's like. I think it's solid now.
Use it as super glue.
That's solid. That is solid. Let's try this. You can hold the camera. No, you hold the camera. When I try.
I ain't got you in.
Look at this. Look at me. Look at me.
Oh.
That's solid.
Is it hot?
No.
Do you like it?
It's like super glue in your mouth.
Watch your teeth don't stick together.
Ah! It's really hard. I can't swallow this. It's sticking to my teeth. I can't do this. It's solid.
It acts like plastic.
Ah! Look at this. The fork is stuck to it.
Oh,
Look at that.
it's crunchy.
It's got a crunchy. Look at inside that. It's like biscuit. Marshmallow biscuit, yum. I'm not going to eat this. I'm not eating this. I am not eating this. Look at it. Here's the first one. Like, I'm going to touch it. It's going to... This is stuck to the plate, look.
I'm going to try and pinch a bit.
Stuck to the plate.
Mmm.
Is it yum?
The crunchy bit is yum.
Okay, you film me. Toasted marshmallow.
Tastes like toasted marshmallows, doesn't it?
Yeah! Oh my god. The crunchy bit was yummy. Oh my god. No, I'm not doing it in the microwave. I just want to eat one. It's horrible. Ah.
Who's got my elephant? Who's got my elephant? Hey, let go of my nose. Let go of my nose.
Thanks, Eve.
I think I'm going to handful and just shove it in my mouth.
Do the marshmallow challenge.
No.
Chubby Bunny challenge.
No!
Pointless ones, that's
Chubby
all,
Bunny.
Finn, I'm not doing it. Do you know why?
Put a million of them ones in.
Ah.
Yeah, you want to do a close-up video of that toothpick.
Let's see. What's that? Oh. No.
Too gross.
No, let's do that too. Yeah, no.
It's hanging out. It's literally
Look
hanging
at this. This is going to take forever. Look. I'm just going to do an example of a Chubby Bunny challenge with one of these small marshmallows in. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Just get a handful.
Finn. Handful.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Okay, guys.
Chubby Bunny.
Do you see me? Think you can. Just get the marshmallows.
Chubby Bunny.
Let's do that. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
We're like mad scientists.
Oh my god. After that, I don't like marshmallows. No. No. You don't eat them when you say it.
Chubby Bunny.
Ah. Owie. Oh, it's horrible. Censored. Thank you for that. And I hope I'll see you later, guys. Bye.